These are the B2s, SAs.
Okay.
So I got DD, amp running tool.
Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's up, man? Thank you for watching. You got a build around here? Where you at? Okay, okay. All right, awesome, man. Yes, sir. Can I come in? Are you cooling off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, it's getting a little weak, but you'll be all right.
Yes, sir. Oh, this is a heavy door.
Yeah.
Nice. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in there?
Dude.
Okay.
These are the B2s, SAs.
Okay.
So I got DD, amp running tool.
Is it just one amp?
Yeah, it's just one.
Which one is it?
It's the 16K, but it's around 6 to 8K, 12 volt system.
Yes, sir.
I got 2 lithium 12Ks.
Nice. All right. How's your electrical, like your alternator battery?
270 and 320.
Okay, dual alternator system. Any lithium or AGM?
Lithium, 2 12Ks.
Okay, Cybers?
Cybers.
Okay, got it. All right, sorry, I just like to know everything.
Yeah,
I do a lot of videos.
You did my other car before.
Yes, sir. Who built this? This looks really good.
Jeff, the guy over there, the Crossfires, the guys over there, they built it.
Okay.
And then Galen built the door pods. And
yes, sir. Very nice. Looks good. Can I see the back, Brandon? Awesome. I like it. To open it. Woo. Are those 10s or 12s in the door? 12s. Wow. Nice. 4 12s.
That's the new jump.
Yeah, that's the 053 Z2b. And since you have all the subs on it, is that a certain impedance?
Bring that series at 1 ohm.
Series to 1 ohm on all of them. Okay, got it.
Got black wire. It's hot.
Oh, yeah. She got it later.
Nice.
No. One of the guys from Crossfire, they had
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Back in the day, we used to make one song, get high, blow shit, yeah.
Can I see your alternators?
Yeah.
Galen's a monster.
It's all good. It looks good, man. Is this the new technology?
Yeah, it's better to leak.
Sweet. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
And turn up the volume.
It's me no regular. I'ma turn it down. He could fly. that he could fly. Took the rest off one plate. Took it to the strip and blew it. Took a lot of kids. Took it to my hotel room like school. Smoking on pounds, smoking on pounds. It be hard work, ain't no fun. Weed and fire. Codeine is the weed I buy. Don't pass me no regular. I might turn it down. All I blow is loud. All I blow is loud. Don't pass me no regular.
That is really clean, windy, and it's efficient. You have a good cone area with like entry-level punchy subs, so you don't have a lot of motor force, but you have a lot of cone area to compensate. I like it. It looks really good, and it's really good sound. Appreciate the demo, man. Thank you very much.
That he could fly. Took the rest off one plate. Took it to the strip and blew it. Took a lot of gin and some fuel. Took it to my hotel room like school. Smoking on pounds, smoking on pounds. It be hard work, ain't no fun. Weed and fire. Codeine is the weed I buy. Don't pass me no regular. I might turn it down. All I blow is loud. All I blow is loud. He could fly. Took the rest off one plate. Took it to the strip and blew it. Took a lot of gin and some fuel.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Xplicit, DroppinHz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.